This is how to use multi-chart layouts on TradingView. Now, as you can see, our chart now has a single chart, obviously, but we can change that. Scroll up and you find this square here, layout setup. You click on it. Here was a choice, one single chart. Let's click the second. Now you see we have two charts on the left, the daily time frame, on the right, the hourly time frame. We can change that again. We can spread it horizontally, and we can also choose what we sync in layout. Now, if we sync interval, then both will become the same time frame. Okay? If we toggle off the crosshair will not be the same on both charts. Let me show you. You see, I clicked on crosshair here. Now you can see the crosshair is on both charts. Let's go back. If we sync date range, then when I zoom out on one chart, all the charts do the same thing. However, I am in the essential program and I need the plus to do that, but I'm just in the essential. So mind you, when you try to get more charts, TradingView will ask you to upgrade. Now let's change the ticker on the chart on the right. NVIDIA. Why does the left one become NVIDIA as well? Well, because we have sync the symbol. We untoggle this, we go back, we get Microsoft by having clicked on the right one. Make sure you click. I click on the left now, I choose the right one now, I choose the left one back again. So you see, don't confuse them. And now we have two charts, NVIDIA and Microsoft. And now we have the crosshair sync. The symbol is not syncing, obviously, but the interval is syncing because we have interval to sync. So they're both on the daily. If you want, say, NVIDIA on the daily and Microsoft in another time frame, you have to untoggle that. And we have time range toggled on. So you see, if I zoom out in NVIDIA, Microsoft will move as well. And this is how you can use multi-chart layouts on TradingView.